Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have February's journal junk box and journal junk sack to show you. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, February journal junk box and journal junk sack just arrived. They did send me these for review, so thank you so much for sending me your boxes to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. You guys, I'm always so excited when there's a holiday in the month with this box because they always go with the theme. They kill it with their themes. So I'm so excited to know what's going to be in this for like Valentine's Day month. I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and dive into the journal junk box first. Then we will dabble into the mini. So then you can see the different variety and know if you want to order one, which one or both you want to get. Here is what the box looks like. So let's go ahead and open this one up. When you first open it up, that is what it looks like. They're doing this new thing now where they're putting this in here, and I think it's really neat because you can also use it like as a bookmarker. But it says journal prompts for growth. Where do I want to be in 5 years? One way I could love myself more is by what does self-care mean to you? How do you practice this in your daily life? What is your best quality? What unhealthy habits do I need to change? So there are some journal prompts, and again, you can use this as a bookmark. So that is what's on the top. And then for this month's theme, of course, it's going to be Valentine's Day themed. You are meant to be. Look at how cute. On the back side, it will go over all of the products. It will give you pricing for this box, and it will give you 4 weekly journal prompts. For February's journal prompts, week 1, how can I love myself unconditionally? Week 2, how can I create more time for myself? Week 3, what are 5 self-love affirmations I can repeat to myself daily? Week 4, how can I set boundaries for myself? So again, that's the journal prompts weekly for the month. And then they give you the journal junk box with their social media. And that's what it looks like down inside with the sticker, hey, journal babe. So when you cut the sticker, cut the tape, and open it up, ooh, I definitely am seeing pink and red. Oh, I knew I was going to be seeing Valentine's Day colors for sure. Let's pull the first thing that we saw out, and it looks like it's going to be a little tea towel. That is super cute. I love having like a decorative towel, like for the seasons, that kind of thing, on my stove. I don't ever use it, the one that's on my stove. I just like it to look pretty. So this one is definitely going on my stove because it's Valentine's Day theme until it's over, definitely. So it says embellished kitchen towel, 18 by 28. And it just says love embellished tea towel, $13.99. And I love that, and I love the colors, all the different colors in there. That is super pretty. I can't wait to put that on my oven, door, little hanger thing, whatever you call that. Here's a little sneak peek that things have been moved and you can see inside. So let's go ahead and open up this one. It looks like it's going to be some kind of like decoration, which that is super neat. Yes, here it goes right there. This one here says decorative heart beaded garland by the Heartside collection, valued at $8.99. So you can use this for anything. You can set it on your counter. You can hang it on something. You can make something with it. I think that's really cute, and it's definitely festive for the holidays. So you have that. Again, that is valued at $8.99. So now we have in here is a pin, and it comes in this cute little pink bag with the gold hearts. And the pin inside is super cute, and it has little hearts all over it. The ink in here, it is black ink. It says So in Love Heart Pin by Bruno Visconti, $3.99. But again, that's so cute because it is definitely festive for this month. How cute are these? Oh Oh my gosh, and they're both sides. Look at that. Those are paper clips. And I'm so glad though that even though they are heart shaped and they do have like the pink and the purple in there, I'm glad that these are just like more of like spring kind of colors and the teal and the yellow in there, because then you can use these definitely anytime and you're not going to be thinking they're just Valentine's Day. I love those colors in there. So this says heart shaped paper clip set by Paige Evans, or blush bulldog clip by Heidi Swap. Selection varies, and there is 12. 6 on the front, 6 on the back, same colors repeated, but those are super neat. I'm so glad I got that variation. I don't know what the other one looks like, but I'm really happy with those paper clips. Oh, it says we are meant to be. Happy Valentine's Day. So on the inside, I'm sure it's probably going to be all blank. Oh, it says, so glad you are mine. So it's not completely blank, but you do still have a lot of room that you can write your own message. And you have the red envelope. That is so cute. But look at the design without the plastic on there. That is really nice. That's a really nice card. So this one says, we are meant to be greeting card by Elam Designs, valued for $5.50. So now we have is a 5 stamp marker set. There's a heart, there's stars, and a flower. So you just stamp with these. That is really neat. I don't think we've received anything like that before where it's like a little stamp. I thought they were like highlighters, but that's even better. Round trip set of 5 stamp markers by Maggie Holmes, valued for $9.99. But I do think that's really neat, and it does show you what image is right here, so you don't have to like open it every time. Heart, heart, star, star, and then this little flower. Again, that's what they look like. That's neat. That's something definitely different. I like that. These are so pretty. Those are so pretty. You can use these for anything. I love scrapbooking, so I always been saving things ever since I've been a kid when it comes to stickers or anything that I can use for like a scrapbook or something like that. So that is really neat, and I love those different stickers in there. That rocked. Make your own sunshine. Hello, weekend. Never lose your sense of wonder. Find Joy Every Day dimensional sticker set of 11 by American Crafts, valued at $5.99. Now we have it's like a journal with a charm necklace all together. It says hustle with hearts, and then there's a heart necklace. I'm not going to open this. I'm going to actually save this for one of you guys, since I do get journals like every month now, and there's probably going to be one in the other one. I have journals. I have a lot of journals everywhere that I use, and I love that. But this one here, plus with the gold, and I'm not hip on gold, I'm going to save this for one of you guys to enjoy. So you'll have the necklace and the journal book. I will leave it just like this. And that is super cute though. So this here says Hustle Heart Journal Gift Set by Elam Designs, valued for $14.99. And that now is everything that completes this particular box. So the journal junk box for February, you would have this set of the journal and the necklace. You have a stamp marker set, stickers, 12-piece paper clips, or the other item could have been a variation, either one. You have a reusable bag that came with this pin right here. You have some decor to decorate. You have a kitchen tea towel. You have a greeting card, and then you have your journal monthly prompts. Okay, you guys. So again, that is everything for the journal junk box. Now let's go ahead and go in with the journal junk sack so you can see what's inside of this one. Let me go ahead and just set this aside really quick. Get it out of our way. Now we can open up this. And it feels a little thick this month. Like it was, it's not as flat as normal. So I'm like, ooh, what is going to be in here? It comes all down inside of like this bubble wrap bag. So everything is inside and protected. Let's dump everything out and we'll see what's inside. I really like that they do a completely different variation, even though some things might be similar, but they're not exactly the same. So if you did get both, you would not have repeated items, or if you wanted to get one versus the other, now you can at least see the difference between them. For this one, you do have a card that goes over the journal junk sack with their social media, but you do not get a card that goes over what's inside, the pricing of everything that's inside, nor do you get the weekly journal prompts. You do, however, get this in here, and this is the same thing about journal prompts for growth. So you can use this for journal prompts or for a bookmark. So there's that. Let's go ahead and see what is inside of this little bag. It's really cute though. I've never seen a little bag like this, and it looks like it could be reusable, so you can use it for something else afterwards. That's a cute little bag. So down inside is this little guy here. Okay, so this is going to be the journal for this month. This is actually a really great size if you wanted to drop in like your purse, your backpack, leave inside of like your glove box in your car if you need to jot something down, because it's not like a big normal sized journal. I like that it is a little handheld one this time. It does say 192 page journal, and it looks like it's from C.R. Gibson by Design Signatures, and you just have this little diamond right there. You have this to hold it closed, but again, that's a really great size, just, you know, to toss anywhere with you. Great compact size. Next you have, this is what made it so fluffy. It is a pair of socks, and it says plant one on me, and it does have the plant, but you know, like kiss me, you know, plant one on me. But that is super cute because I do plant. I have my garden, so that is actually, this is really neat. I love these. Let me show you what they look like in their entirety, and then there's a few more items left in this one, but I am loving these socks. Look at how cute. Plant one on me, and it does have the little heart on the little plant, the planter that it's in. That is super cute. And the plant on me font has like a little bit of like, I don't know if you can see, there you go. It has like glitter. It's more of like a glittery thread than a standard thread like everything else. But these are so cute. It does say Valentine's Day novelty socks. Crew socks, shoe size 4 to 10, one pair, valued at $5.99. But those are so cute. I love those. So you are going to get a pin. It does come in a nice, cute, reusable bag. Same thing. It's nice and pink. This one's a bright pink. And then the pin for this one is so cute. Is it by the same? Yes, Bruno Visconti. So it's the same style. It's just a different variation. It's a different color. And that's what that one looks like. That is so cute, but definitely very festive. Now you have this card. It says, I know who I am. I'm the deepest part of my soul. It's up to me to own my story. So you have this card, and then you have an actual greeting card. It says Happy Valentine's Day with that cute heart. This is by Elam Letter Press. Is this one blank inside? Yes, this one is. This one is just all blank inside. So you can send this to like a friend, a family member. You can give it to a teacher, your doctor, your mail lady, whatever you would like to do with this one, because you can use it for anybody. I like that. And then you do have a sticker set in here. It looks like there's going to be 4 different designs. Let's open this and see them better. Okay, so one page is like this. And these would be great to do anything, journaling, scrapbooking, just, I mean, you can use these stickers for anything. These are really cute too, just like the hearts and the flowers. This one has butterflies. How cute. So there you are. You have a 4-page sticker set. So that is everything that came in the journal junk sack for February. You have the stickers. You have the blank greeting card. You have this card. You have a reusable bag with the pin. You have the cutest pair of socks. I absolutely love these socks. And then you have a cute little bite size, I'm going to call it, journal book with this reusable bag that you can use for anything as well. Okay, you guys. So now that completes everything for the journal junk box and the journal junk sack. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think of them? Did you like one better than the other? Did you like some from this and some from that? Comment down below and let me know. If you want a little bit more information about this company, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty. That will get you 15% off. Journal, cute office supplies, and so much more you'll adore. Love decorating your office space with cute office things and get lost in creating? Want that positive push to finish your goals and be the best version of you? Then you will love this box. If you do the journal junk sack mini, month to month it's $27.99. 6 months will bring it down to $25.99, and 12-month plan will bring it down to $23.95. The journal junk full box. So everything in the full box, month to month, it's $52.99. 6 months brings it down to $47.99. And then 12-month plan will bring it down to $44.95 per box. Shipping is in addition to both. If you want to do both of them, they do have a junk box and sack bundle. That one is $71.95. You're billed monthly and you can cancel at any time. They also have an online shop. So if you didn't want to go to a subscription, but you wanted to find some cute office type products, journal products, scrapbooking products, anything like that, you can shop on the shop anytime. Again, SheCrafty will get you that 15% off. You do not need to have a subscription to shop their online shop, but they do sell everything individually if you wanted to get stuff for you or for gift ideas. So again, that is everything now for this video. Comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.